宝宝，宝宝吃，宝宝吃。哦。宝宝吃。
The circle making a picture. What's it going to be?
宝宝吃。
Can you guess what it is? It's an underwater diver.
豆豆，豆豆 ，avocado clown， 豆豆。
Oh, the shapes are asleep again, but they're still fantastic.
Talkie here. Minute Maid time. Minute Maid time.
Ooh, it's Minute Maid time. Here's what we're going to make today. It's a pop-up card, which is a card with a surprise in the middle. It's a funny clown. Now, to make a pop-up card, you will need a pen, some cards,
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum
I
yum.
think it's possible to make a pop-up card in just a minute.
No way.
Really? Let's find out. I'll have to be very quick. But don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready? Let's make it in a minute.
Yum 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 yum
Let's
yum.
go. First thing to do is get our card and fold that in half and then start drawing our clown. Circle for his head and then a big nose in the middle. Big red nose. Some eyes.
Hurry up.
I'm going as fast as I can. There we go. Let's give him a hat. And some hair. And some ears as well. There we go. Right, now, get the strip of paper and start folding. Over one way and then over the other way. Back and forth, a bit like a fan. There we go. Like that. It's a bit fiddly, this bit. There we go.
Yum yum yum.
Right, now if I get some glue, and put some glue on that side, and stick it down there, and then put some glue on that side, I am done! What an unusual way of making a great card! And if you've got more than a minute, why not try other designs, like this cupcake? Oh, it looks delicious, doesn't it? With a cherry on top. Ooh, how about a ballerina? With a great paper skirt. Pop-up cards made in a minute. Why don't you try it? And here's a reminder of how to do it.
Beauty.
Let's go back to the beginning. Let's have a look. Fold your card in half and draw a picture. Take a strip of paper and fold it
还
lots
吃
of
不吃啦，宝
times,
宝
a？ bit like a fan. Glue along both edges of the fan shape and stick it next to the fold in the card like this. Close the card and press it together to make a pop-up card. Try and make making it in a minute.
Hello, Mr. Baker. Guess what we're making today?
Oh, I don't know. Let's find out.
I'm brown. I'm yellow. I'm black. I'm purple. I'm grey. It's a can of paint.
Well done, everyone. See you next time. Now it's time to frame it. Frame it. Frame it. Now have a look at this. Here's an idea you can try.
Mama，拍拍手，拍拍手，
Sky. It's easy to
拍拍手，拍拍手，
You'll be able
拍拍手。辣豆怎么样？辣豆啊，辣豆，辣豆。
some wax.
啊不不。
First of all, colour in some white paper with crayons like this.